For our lab environment, we're going to need a copy of Windows. A trial version is perfectly fine. In order to get this, I need to go to google.com, type in Windows 2019, push enter, search for one, scroll down a little bit until I see the try Windows 20 Server 2019 and Windows evaluation. Click that, and I'm going to be prompted to a Microsoft.com website similar to this. I'm going to scroll a little bit. I'm going to look for Windows Server 2019. I'm going to download the ISO file with ISO and click continue. I'm going to put in my information in, click continue again, and it's going to download the file. Once the file is done, it's about a 4 gig or so file, 4.93 gigabytes to be exact. I'm going to use this ISO file to be able to install Windows 2019 on my Hyper-V environment. I'm now ready to install Windows 2019 on my Hyper-V environment. So I'm going to go from Hyper-V Manager. I'm going to right click on my Hyper-V, click New, Virtual Machine, select Next. I'm going to name my Windows machine. In this case, it's going to be Get a Job in Tech 02. That's going to be the name of the server. Generation 1. I'm going to give the memory. In this case, I'm probably going to give it 4 gigabytes because I have 31 gigabytes on this computer. Not going to connect the network just yet. We got to change the size of the VM to probably say 50 gig. Let's actually call it 40 gig. That'll be fine. Click next. And then I'm going to leave everything blank here. Click next and then finish. I see the server, Get a Job in Tech 02. I'm going to right click on it, click on settings, just a couple of different cleanup settings. First of all, I'm going to click on under management. I'm going to click under checkpoints, and I don't want to enable checkpoints, which is almost like a snapshot. I'm going to uncheck that. I'm then going to click on integrated services. I'm going to uncheck the backup volume shadow copy. I don't want that to happen. Then I'm going to head over to the IDE controller, DVD. Then going to select the image file, browse to where my file is located, and select the ISO file. Then I'm going to head over to my network adapter. I'm going to change that to the virtual switch, which is a secondary NIC on my server here. And then push OK, apply, and push OK. Then we're going to right click on the VM and click on Start, right click on it, and select Connect. Now I'm going to set up the Windows 2019 server. We're going to click on Next. We're going to click Install Now. For our lab, we're going to choose the Windows 2019 Standard Edition Desktop Experience. So the evaluation, that one, top one is the command line version. So we're going to use the desktop experience. Click Next. We have a 40 gig hard drive, so we're going to use all the 40 hard drive. Push Next on that. Click on Custom Install Only. Select the hard drive. In our case, it's 40 gig. Click Next. And then we're going to wait until it's complete. And what's going to happen is once it's done installed, it's going to restart the server. And we're going to be prompted to log in. Well, enter our credentials, actually. So now we are to the point where we can create our own password on this computer. I'll do that right now. Password I choose. You choose as you like, whatever the password is, and click finish. And we're good to go. Now we're just log in as administrator, actions, Control Alt Delete. Then we just put our password in that we in there. Only thing left to do is when the server manager comes up, click on local server, Scroll over until you see the IE Enhanced Security Configuration. We're going to just click on off. What that's going to do for us is going to not give us the prompt when we go to like another website or something, google.com or whatever. It's not going to prompt us for it. Make sure that's off. And we're also going to change the name of the server to be Get a Job in Tech 02. From local server, we click on computer host or computer name. Click that. Click change. We're going to change our name to Get a Job in Tech 02. Once we're happy with that and we see it's good to go, we click OK. And it's going to prompt us to restart the computer. We're going to restart now.